front of the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT hustling, chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Hello, my name is Claire Collins and I am the Music Department Chair for Holy Spirit High School. My family has had 3 generations coming through this school, and we're proud to say that. Let me give you a little background on the history of Holy Spirit Performing Arts Department as we approach our 100th anniversary. We have a fall dramatic play presented at the kickoff to Homecoming Week, and also our spring musical, which is always taken directly from Broadway shows and scores, and HSHS has performed every year since its opening in 1922. Mrs. Giardina is completing our 100th anniversary mural on the Arts Hallway, listing all of the plays since 1922. The music department offers full curriculum performance and music theory, college prep, advanced music, and honors classes. We also offer a course in stage and production, in which a student studies everything you need to know about theater, from stage lighting to sound to recording, set design, costuming, props, and stage managing. We also offer private study with teachers specialized in master's degrees in their field of performance in brass, piano, woodwinds, percussion, voice, strings, and guitar. We have an a cappella choir, a select choir, a concert band, pep band, and jazz band. We are a member of the International Triumph Music Honor Society St. Cecilia chapter, which gives back to the community their gift of music as well as maintaining a high GPA. Spartan TV also comes under the umbrella of the performing arts, complete with anchors, writers, editors, graphic design, and camera crews. Thank you so much. Please give to this great school to continue the legacy.
I am Ms. Milano. I teach HSHS Milano Visual Arts at Holy Spirit High School, where students are introduced to creative concepts and design thinking with the goal of providing them with inventive problem-solving tools so they can enter the world with skills, imagination, and confidence. Education in drawing, painting, sculpture, digital design, motion graphics, animation, illustration, printmaking, and art history instills a clear grasp of these subjects as well as an understanding of the connection they have with each other. Drawing is the foundation of all visual arts because drawing is thinking, and at Holy Spirit High School, we think. Anyone who wants to learn and works hard at it can draw. Students can learn how to see and how to render their vision through a series of lessons that build on the knowledge gained from previous lessons. My visual arts curriculum becomes more advanced as students take added responsibility for their work and use it as a means of personal expression and communication. Courses in the visual arts include Advanced Art 1, 2, 3, and Honors Art 4. Students often draw en plein air, which is drawing outdoors from direct observation of the world around us. Each year, we participate in the New Jersey State and Atlantic County Teen Arts Festival and Competition. In the spring, during Holy Spirit's Arts Week, students display the artwork they created during the year at their visual arts exhibition.
Hi, my name is Kevin Bell. I'm a senior in the Holy Spirit Arts Department. The arts mean a lot to me. I've been doing art for as long as I can remember. Just always been a part of my life. I wouldn't be the person I am today, right now, if it weren't for the Holy Spirit Art Department.
Hi, I'm Father Josh Nevitt, and I'm the Director of Catholic Identity at Holy Spirit High School. I'm sitting here in our chapel, which really is the heart of our school, right in the middle of our building. Every student in our building walks by this chapel on a daily basis, whether on their way in the morning, on their way to lunch. We're right next to the cafeteria. And in a way, just like the chapel is the heart of our school, Catholic Identity is the heart of who we are as Holy Spirit High School. Each month, our student body gathers for a school-wide Mass in the auditorium, starting in September with Bishop Sullivan present and the Mass of the Holy Spirit, and then each month throughout the school year, especially for liturgical seasons, for feast days, for Vocations Day, for Catholic Schools Week. On a weekly basis, Mass is offered here in the chapel during lunch patterns, and each student has the chance to attend Mass during their lunch at least once a week. We've done that since Lent of this year and had a great response. Plenty of students coming out about 15 minutes, then they can go and eat lunch right after. For many of our students, one of their highlights here at Holy Spirit is attending a Kairos retreat. Kairos is a Greek word that means God's time, and Kairos retreats take place twice a year in the fall semester and the spring semester for juniors and seniors. It's a chance for students to go away for 4 days and to be together to deepen their relationships with God, with others, and with self. One student came away from it and said it changed their life. Never have I seen someone go on Kairos and be disappointed by it. So it's a wonderful program that we have here at Holy Spirit that many of our students have benefited from. Our faith tells us that we can't just take this for ourselves, but we have to give back. So part of our Catholic identity and our religion requirement here at Holy Spirit is that each student will perform service hours each year. These hours are done outside of the school community as a way to give back. Every year, the students at Holy Spirit do close to 5,000 service hours, giving back to our local community. At Holy Spirit, we focus on the whole person, mind, body, and spirit. As our students' minds are nourished in the classrooms, their bodies strengthened on their fields, our spirits are uplifted through prayer, through faith, and community.